in the workplace can feel a bit crazy with meetings, deadlines, and packed schedules. For bus operators and employees who sit for long hours, staying energized and focused can feel like a challenge. Quick, unhealthy food choices might be convenient, but often may leave you feeling sluggish. Meal prepping offers a practical solution to keeping your energy steady. It also will help you support your fitness and counteract the effects of a sedentary job. Hi everyone, welcome back to another Move Monday. My name is Coach Travis, and this month we are focusing on your nutritional health. We're talking meal prepping, and it's a total game changer. Prepping your snacks, your lunches, and other meals ahead of time can help you stay on track of your health goals and take the guesswork out of what should I eat next or what should I eat during the day. No more overthinking or settling for less than healthy food options, just easy, balanced choices to keep you fueled and focused. Here are some practical and mindful tips to help you master meal prepping for a healthier workday. Plan ahead with purpose. Start by setting aside each week some time to plan your meals. Consider your workplace schedule, the availability of a fridge or a microwave, and the time you'll have to eat. Choose recipes that align with your fitness goals and energy needs that day. For example, start by writing out a meal plan for the week, like grilled chicken salads for lunch on Mondays and Wednesdays, or maybe turkey wraps for lunch on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Adjust based on your workload and meetings. Invest in quality containers. Leak-proof, microwave-safe containers make a big difference in maintaining freshness and convenience. Opt for containers with compartments to keep your food separated and that's easy to grab and go. Glass and BPA-free plastic containers are great choices. For example, purchase a set of containers with 2 to 3 compartments so you'll keep your items fresh and separated and also organized. Batch cook like a pro. Prepare staple ingredients in bulk, such as baked salmon, chicken, or beef, roasted sweet potatoes, and your favorite veggies. Once cooked, mix and mash them to create different meals throughout the week. For example, cook your chicken, your sweet potatoes, and your broccoli separately, then use them to assemble a variety of meals like chicken grain bowls or sweet potatoes and a side of your favorite veggies. And don't forget the spices for seasoning. Healthy food can be just as tasty and nutritious. Just be mindful of the sauces as they do add additional calories. Snack smarter. Meal prepping isn't just about lunches. Prepping healthy snacks like hummus and veggies, pre-washed fruit, or a hard-boiled egg can help prevent that mid-afternoon vending machine trip. For example, pack a small container of almonds, or maybe bring a banana, or maybe your favorite health bar for a quick nutritious snack during your afternoon break. Stay hydrated. Don't forget about hydration. Prep your water bottles with fresh fruit or herbs for a refreshing twist. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day to support your energy and focus. For example, fill a reusable water bottle up with slices of cucumber or maybe lemon each morning to sip on throughout your workday. Reflect and adjust. Each week, reflect on what worked and what didn't. Did you enjoy your meals? Were you able to stick to your plan? Make the tweaks to improve the process so you can keep it sustainable. For example, if you found your meals boring, try adding some new spices or switch up your protein source to make it more of a variety for the next week. Remember, team, meal prepping is more than just a time saver. It's a powerful strategy for maintaining your fitness and well-being in the workplace. By planning and preparing your meals, you're not only saving money and reducing stress, but you're also ensuring that you're nourishing your body to meet the demands of a busy day. All right, team. So I do have a few announcements and reminders for you all. We have our Ask the Doc seminar coming up, and it's titled Colon Cancer Awareness on March 6th at 1 p.m. Then we have our Well Informed seminar on March 12th. It's titled What's for Dinner? Meal Prep at 11 a.m. Then we have our Ask the Expert seminar on March 18th. It's about nutrition, basics, and beyond at 1 p.m. You can register to participate live or to watch at a later time. And then we have our Financial Fridays. This one's on March 28th and is titled Introduction to Taxes at 12 p.m. And team, don't miss out on my next live workout session. This one's all about your mobility and core. It's on March 31st at noon. Again, you can register to participate live or to watch at a later time. And team, I want to thank you all for your time today. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all again next week for another Move Monday.